Yes, see, what happens is Indians are great savers, but very bad investors. Used to be. Okay, so still HNI is a very bad investor in India, and I'll give you data to prove that. Of course, I am in the business of HNI wealth management. I'm saying they're very bad,
Yeah.
and they're worse off than retail. You look at data of when HNI sold in FY21, where Nifty averaged for the 260 days it opened, averaged at 10,800 in FY21. That year, equity mutual funds other than SIPs lost about 1,25,000. PMSs lost 2 lakh crores plus 1,25,000 crores on a small base. 20% equity निकाल दी लोगों ने जब निफ्टी 10,750 पे एवरेज की. SIP was the only one which was positive, 88,000 crores. So that's one. And I'm just giving you one data point, but there's any hypothesis has to be tested in different ways to get a significant result. Now coming to whether retail is looking at this as a savings instrument, he is or she is, because they've stopped checking their values. Ask your chauffeur whether he's seen his SIP value, he will tell you, no, I've not seen it for the last 6 months. If that's true, then you are playing on the strength of the Indian DNA. Point one. Point two, I think Indian DNA was designed by the government to be riskless.
Yes.
Because India ki fiscal deficit, kaun fund karta? Foreigner was never buying Indian bond. So Indian fiscal deficit for decades had to be funded by Indian households.
Through banks.
Through banks. What happened in 2021? Government said, now you've brought us so far. I am now bringing a new tax regime. No motivation for debt. That's the second thing. You have to see this GST in that context. Third, like Bala sir said, derivative ko curtail kiya. Online gaming ko curtail ki. Because those are all strategically wrong decisions for an individual. So point is, if you look at all of this and then read the 15 lakh crores which has come in by domestic institutions in the capital markets after FY21, 15 lakh crore domestic institution ने equity market में डाला है. उसी दौर में FII ने zero डाला है. नेट वो जीरो हो गया आफ्टर कोविड. उसके 8 साल पहले कैसे आंकड़े थे? लेट्स लुक एट इट. 8 years cumulatively domestic institution put 3 lakh crores. In the subsequent post COVID they put 15 lakh crores. Statistical projections in 3 methods tell me that the minimum number will be 52 lakh crores infused by domestic institution in Indian capital market over the next 8 years.